Claude Explained, Mastering System Design Scenarios. In this video, we'll dive deep into Claude's approach to dissecting and mastering complex system design scenarios, equipping you with the skills needed to excel in tech interviews and real-world applications.
Did you know that mastering system design is crucial for landing top tech jobs? Today, we're unraveling complex system design scenarios using Claude. By the end, you'll be equipped to tackle these challenges with confidence, whether in interviews or real-life projects.
Let's start by analyzing system design scenarios. Claude simplifies the process by breaking down complex designs into manageable parts. Begin with identifying key components: client, server, database, and network. Use case analysis is crucial. For instance, designing a scalable e-commerce platform involves handling user requests, secure transactions, and inventory management. Claude's approach makes this manageable by focusing on core functionalities and interconnections. Imagine a service like Amazon. Without a solid design, it would crumble under pressure. Claude's techniques not only help pass interviews but also ensure robust, real-world performance. Understanding system architecture is foundational. Key components include front-end, back-end, database, and network. The front-end is what users interact with, the back-end handles logic and data processing. Databases store and retrieve data efficiently. Networks connect these components securely and reliably. Documentation is a critical yet often overlooked aspect. It ensures all team members are aligned and that future scaling or troubleshooting can be done smoothly. Consider it like building a skyscraper. Without a solid blueprint, the structure is bound to fail. Using Claude, we ensure every layer of the architecture is sound and scalable.
Scalability is a key challenge in system design. Claude provides effective solutions. Understand the difference between horizontal scaling, adding more machines, and vertical scaling, adding more power to existing machines. Load balancing is crucial to distribute traffic evenly, preventing overloads. Imagine Netflix during a new release. Without proper scaling, servers would crash. Claude's methodologies ensure seamless scalability, adapting to user growth without compromising performance. We'll explore real-world examples where these techniques saved companies millions by preventing downtime and maintaining user satisfaction.
Data is the backbone of any system. Claude emphasizes efficient data handling and storage. Choosing between SQL and NoSQL databases depends on the use case. SQL is structured and reliable for complex queries, while NoSQL is flexible, handling large volumes of unstructured data. Implementing redundancy techniques like data replication ensures reliability and availability. Imagine a banking system losing transaction data due to poor data handling. It's catastrophic. Claude's strategies prevent such scenarios, ensuring data integrity and system reliability, enhancing user trust and satisfaction.
Reliability and availability are non-negotiable in system design. Claude provides comprehensive strategies to ensure both. Implement redundancy and failover mechanisms to maintain service during hardware failures. Monitoring tools and alerts predict issues before they escalate. Consider systems like Google Search, which must remain available 24/7. Claude's methodologies include real-time monitoring and automated failovers, ensuring continuous operation. We'll look into a case study where these techniques significantly reduce downtime, saving both money and customer trust. Optimizing performance is crucial to system success. Claude excels in identifying and addressing bottlenecks. Key techniques include caching to reduce load times and optimizing database queries for efficiency. Imagine a sluggish app, users will abandon it quickly. Claude's strategies ensure smooth operation and quick response times, improving user experience significantly. We'll discuss how these optimizations have led to faster, more efficient systems in various industries, providing a competitive edge by enhancing user satisfaction and retention. Security is paramount in system design. Claude offers robust security frameworks to protect data and systems. Implement data encryption and secure access controls to prevent unauthorized access. With increasing cyber threats, security cannot be an afterthought. Systems like online banking require stringent security measures to protect sensitive data. Claude's frameworks ensure systems are fortified against breaches, maintaining user trust. We'll explore case studies where these measures have effectively thwarted attacks, demonstrating the critical role of security in system design. Continuous improvement is key to system evolution. Claude emphasizes feedback loops to refine and enhance system design. Integrating user feedback helps tailor systems to actual needs, while iterative design processes allow for constant refinement. Consider tech giants like Apple. They continuously improve products based on user input. Claude's strategies ensure systems evolve efficiently, adapting to changes in user expectations. We'll discuss real-world examples where feedback loops have driven significant improvements, keeping systems relevant and competitive.
In conclusion, Claude's methodologies offer invaluable insights into mastering system design scenarios. From scalability to security, each aspect is crucial for real-world applications. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more insights. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next, and join us on this journey to mastering tech skills with Claude.